How to deactivate or delete Snapchat account temporarily. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, open Snapchat. Once you open the Snapchat application, go ahead and simply log into your Snapchat account. So once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon, then select settings like icon right over here. Inside settings, scroll below, then you'll be able to find delete account. Tap onto it, and just like so, in order to continue the process, go ahead and type in your password. After you have typed in the Snapchat account password, go ahead and tap on continue. Remember that after you have clicked on continue, your account will get deactivated for 30 days temporarily. But if in case you would like to reactivate your account, just go ahead and log in to Snapchat. But after 30 days, your account will get deleted permanently. So that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.